everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kayla here. Thank you for clicking on this video. I just want to remind you guys that I do upload Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes I'll throw in another video on Saturdays or at some point in the week, but always Tuesday and Thursdays. Also, subscribe to my channel if you like my videos and hit that notification bell if you want to know when I upload a video. So today I'm going to be talking about my August favorites, and I can't believe that it's September already. This whole year is flying. In this video, I'm going to include beauty products, skincare, lifestyle, and some random favorites. So if you want to see those, then just keep watching. The first product that I'm going to start with is skincare, and I've seen a lot of people talk about this product. I've actually already mentioned it in my skincare favorites, but I just want to mention again because I've been using it all month, every day, and I love it. And it is the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. Is what it looks like. And I really love this product. I would say that it keeps my skin very clear and cleans out my pores. I use a cleanser at night, and then I use this right after to make sure that I got everything out of my pores and off of my face. And then I also do it when I wake up in the morning, and this has really helped my skin. It's also an alcohol-free toner, so it will not irritate your skin, which is nice because a lot of toners will irritate your skin. And then it has a 2% BHA, which will slowly exfoliate your skin for you. This is also a clean beauty product, which is nice that it's made with clean ingredients. So if you're looking for something that is gentle and you can use it twice a day, then definitely check this out. The next product I would say is skincare as well, so I'm going to include it under that category. It is actually a body lotion. So it is the Jergens Ultra Healing Extra Dry Skin Moisturizer. And this stuff does wonders. When I get out of the shower every day, I put it all over my body, and it just leaves everything feeling moisturized, and it's a thick consistency, but it sinks into your skin, doesn't leave a weird film on it, and I love it. This is my second bottle of it. This is definitely good for the cold weather because I know a lot of people get dry skin. The cold weather is approaching. I would definitely try this if you're struggling with dry skin and looking for something to help with that. This product I talked about on my channel before, and I know a lot of other people are raving about it. I definitely love it. It is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. It's the only makeup product that I have in here for this month, but that's what it looks like. And I've showed you guys this before, and it's only $6, so you can't go wrong with trying this out. So that's what it looks like. I want to try the other version of this. I heard that a lot of people like it too, so I am going to check that one out. And this doesn't leave a heavy feeling on the skin, which I love about it, and it definitely makes my pores look smaller. Like they look like they're not even there with the foundation that I use, the L'Oreal foundation. And with this, you can't see my pores because I have pores in this area right here. It makes them vanish. This product actually feels moisturizing on the skin as well, which is nice. You don't want something to dry out your skin before you're putting makeup on top of it. And I actually use it all over my face, and it makes my makeup last longer. So I would definitely recommend this. So I'm always looking for a good hairspray, and it's very hard to find one that doesn't have the white residue or that actually works. Because I have a lot of flyaways. I mean, I still kind of have them a little bit, but I have a lot of flyaways that I'm trying to take care of, and I don't want them sticking up every day. I want it to look like it's in place. So I did find this one. It's by L'Oreal Paris Lock It Bold Control Hairspray, and it's extra strong. So it's number 4 on the scale that they have. I think the scale is 1 to 5, and it's quick dry, which I really love. So your hair doesn't look wet and sticky and like it's all greasy. So I really love this. And if you guys recommend any other hairspray that's at the drugstore and that's inexpensive, definitely let me know and I will check this out. But so far I'm liking this, but I wouldn't be opposed to trying any different hairspray. This is not like a holy grail, but it's definitely my favorite for the month of August. The rest I would say are kind of like lifestyle favorites and random favorites. So this one is by Scunci or Scunci. I'm not sure how you pronounce that brand, so I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong, but it's a pack of hair ties, which I know is kind of random. You might see the one that I'm wearing on my wrist, but sometimes since my hair is getting long, when I put my hair back, it feels like it's always being tugged at. So I wanted something that didn't pull my hair out, and as you can see on top, it says no damage. So I wanted to try something different, and I think these are really nice, and they're actually cute. They come in different colors. So whatever, you know, your mood is. I always have this one on. It's light pink, but I can actually show you guys what it looks like. So it's actually rolled up material. It's kind of like stocking material, as you can see. So it's gentle on your hair and it's like, it rolls up. It also doesn't leave a dent in your hair, which everybody hates when ponytail holders leave a dent in your hair. That's like the worst thing after you take it down and you have that dent. It does not do that at all. It can be found at the drugstore, so you don't need to order it online or anything. You can just go to your local CVS and you can buy these, or I'm sure you can get these at Walmart or Walgreens. I'm sure everywhere has these. Overall, I would say that these are very comfortable and I would recommend these for people who are struggling with their hair being pulled when they put it up or leaving dent marks in their hair. I used to get my nails done every 2 to 3 weeks, and right before the pandemic hit, I actually used to get A and C all the time, and then I decided that I wanted to give my nails a break, and it happened to be right before the pandemic hit, so I ended up picking it off and letting them go bare. And I see that a lot of people are now using the glue-on nails because it was an easier option for people just because they couldn't go to the nail salons. So I tried it out and I actually really like this idea for now until I start getting my nails done again. But the brand that I really like is the Kiss brand. It's called Bring the Salon Home Kiss. I've tried another pair that I really like, and I can insert a picture right over there of what they look like. Those ones were more coffin shaped and these are square and the length is long. So I might cut these down a little bit. I'm probably gonna put them on for this weekend. So these are cute and they look like you got your nails done. You can't go wrong. And the glue that comes in this is strong, let me tell you. The last ones lasted me, I would say like 4 to 5 days straight. One came off, I had the glue on me, I glued it back on. I can wash my hands and it's fine, take a shower, it's fine. I did dishes and I only had one come off within those 5 days. So it's really not bad. And I think these are about $10. So I know when I first started buying them, they were almost sold out because everybody was using them, but I think now they're slowly getting them all back in stock, at least for where I live. So if you're not wanting to get your nails done and spend the money, this is a cheaper alternative, and they look like you got them professionally done. So I get a lot of compliments on my nails. Next thing is something that helps my migraines. I struggle with migraines a lot, and from staring at a computer screen, looking at bright lights, sometimes it'll trigger a migraine. So everybody was talking about blue light glasses. I tried different styles that didn't look right on my face. I finally found a pair that are inexpensive. You can get them on Amazon. They're $16.39, which isn't a bad price. And they come in this cute case, which I thought was adorable. They come with a cleaner for the glasses. And as you can see, the blue light kind of reflecting off of it. But I thought they were a good pair. And they're flexible, so they won't feel like they're straining your head. Sometimes right here, if I wear sunglasses, I feel a strain on my head and that'll give me a headache. So I really like these. And I think that they really do help with the strain on my eyes, preventing the migraine. The brand is Lena Gaga. You can get them on Amazon. If you have Amazon Prime, it's even better because you can get them shipped in 2 days. So it's really up to you with your style preference, because I know a lot of people have different styles with glasses and everybody has a different face shape. So it really depends if you think they would suit your face type. My last favorite is actually a candle. And I have an obsession with candles. I have them all around the apartment. I love anything fall that's for fall time, or I love anything sweet. I noticed that a lot of our candles don't give off that much scent, which sometimes I like, sometimes I don't. But when I do want a candle to give off a ton of scent, this is the candle that I would recommend. It is Cinnamon Caramel Swirl from Bath & Body Works. And this I got last year. As you can see, you know, I've used a lot, but the packaging could be a little bit different. As you know, they change it every year. This gives off so much scent in our apartment, and I love the smell of it. It smells like you're baking cookies, and it has the caramel in it. It is such a nice scent. I love it. And it lasts, I would say, like a day after that, like a day or two after that. We walk in and we can smell it, and it smells amazing. So if you're looking for something that has a strong scent to it, but it's not too strong and too overpowering that you don't want to smell it or it gives you a headache, then definitely check this out from Bath & Body Works. Bath & Body Works has so many different scents to choose from. You can just go right to the store and see if you'd like this, but I always get their candles when they have the 2 for $22 deal. So when they have that deal going on, I would definitely check this one out. I am sure if it is not in stores right now that it is coming back soon. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my August favorites, and I definitely want to know if you guys have tried out these products and what you think, and let me know your recommendations of something if it is better than that, because I'm always willing to try out new recommendations for products that work really well that can potentially be my September favorites. If you want to see more videos, then just subscribe to my channel. Remember, I upload every Tuesday and Thursday. Sometimes I'll throw in a third video. Also, hit the notification bell if you want to know when I upload and be notified. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.